Frustrated by the Ntmarta.dll DLL software error message? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows architecture specialist, and I'm here to implement a permanent fix for your Windows environment. Get the professional Ntmarta module fix you need by accessing the utility linked in the description. This is the Ntmarta module, the Windows Multiple Provider Router MARTA library. It provides unmanaged routines for managing access control lists, ACLs, across different network providers, facilitating the secure data link for file and registry permission manifests. Now let's dive into the solution, starting with a standard reinstallation. Ntmarta is a system-critical file that Windows manages internally. To repair it, run the sfc/scan now command from an elevated command prompt, which will scan for and replace any corrupted OS-level components. If the setup package didn't provide a resolution, we need to look under the hood at how your system handles current session configurations. A quick reboot can determine if the error is transient. While it won't fix a deleted file, it can re-establish the connection between your software and the Ntmarta module file if the path was temporarily busy. Make sure to save your spot by bookmarking this video or hit the like button before you restart so you don't have to search for it again. Restarting doesn't always catch everything. If you're still having trouble, let's try this next step together. And if you need to pause the video, I'm not going anywhere. If you're still offline after the reboot, we need to clear out the corrupted network routes manually. Open command prompt as admin, then run these two commands. First, type NIDTSH space INT space IP space RESET, then hit enter. Second, type NITSH space WINSOCCK space RESET, then hit enter again. Why are we doing this? Well, connectivity files manage the flow of data across your system. Resetting the network stack clears out stagnant routing table errors and refreshes the underlying protocol manifests. Before you finalize your changes, I need to emphasize the importance of using trusted sources. Don't let a small error become a total system rebuild by trying to force install Ntmarta module DLL into directories where it doesn't belong. Let's conclude by looking at how a system maintenance utility can help keep your performance optimized and your libraries synchronized. For users seeking clearer system diagnostics, the link in the description references tools related to managing the Ntmarta module environment. Thank you for trusting us with Ntmarta module repair today. For more system-level tips and error resolutions, don't forget to like and subscribe.